1. Understanding deaf people and their communication involves learning about sign language, lip reading, and other methods of non-verbal communication that deaf individuals use to communicate effectively. 2. There are different types of deafness, including congenital deafness, being born deaf, and acquired deafness, losing one's hearing later in life. Understanding these differences can help candidates better support and communicate with deaf individuals. 3. Barriers to communication and understanding deaf individuals can include lack of access to sign language interpreters, limited knowledge of deaf culture, and societal stigma towards deaf people. By identifying and addressing these barriers, candidates can work towards creating a more inclusive environment for deaf individuals. 4. Accepting the barriers that exist between hearing individuals and deaf people is the first step towards breaking them down. By recognizing and acknowledging these barriers, candidates can begin to actively work towards finding solutions and fostering better communication and understanding. 5. Positive action, such as providing access to sign language interpreters, creating inclusive communication strategies, and promoting awareness and understanding of deaf culture, can help reverse discrimination and create a more inclusive society for deaf individuals. By taking proactive steps to address these issues, candidates can contribute to creating a more equitable and inclusive world for all. The spectrum of deafness includes various levels of hearing loss and communication needs. Here is an explanation of the different categories. 1. Hearing. Individuals who have normal hearing abilities and do not require any additional support for communication. 2. Hard of hearing. Individuals who have partial hearing loss and may use hearing aids or other assistive devices to help with communication. They may have difficulty hearing in noisy environments or over long distances. 3. Deafened. Individuals who have lost their hearing later in life, often due to illness, injury, or age-related factors. They may have previously relied on spoken language, but now need to adapt to a new way of communicating. 4. Deaf. Individuals who have profound hearing loss or are unable to hear at all. They may primarily use sign language or other non-verbal communication methods for everyday communication. 5. Deaf with BSL, British Sign Language. Individuals who are deaf and use British Sign Language as their primary means of communication. They may rely on sign language interpreters or other accommodations to access information and communicate effectively. Deafblind. Deafblindness is a unique condition where individuals have both significant hearing loss and vision impairment. They may use a combination of tactile sign language, braille, and other communication methods to interact with others. Deafblind individuals often require specialized support and accommodations to ensure they can access information and communicate effectively. Understanding the spectrum of deafness and deafblindness can help create inclusive environments and provide appropriate support for individuals with different communication needs. It is important to recognize and respect the diversity within the deaf community and strive to meet the unique needs of each individual. 1. Avoid laughing nervously in front of the person. Nervous laughter may be interpreted as mockery or insensitivity. It is important to maintain a respectful and appropriate demeanor during interactions with deaf individuals. By avoiding these practices and adopting inclusive and respectful communication strategies, you can create a positive and supportive environment for effective communication with deaf individuals. It is crucial to approach interactions with empathy, patience, and a willingness to accommodate the individual's communication needs to ensure successful communication exchanges. Overall, fingerspelling plays a valuable role in sign language communication by enabling the spelling of words, supporting comprehension of unfamiliar terms, and complementing other communication strategies for deaf individuals. It is an essential component of sign language proficiency and communication access for those who are deaf or hard of hearing.